Hey guys, we're getting ready to go on a super long hike, and it's gonna be super fun. There's a really long trail down the road right over there. It's all the way down there. It's raining just a bit, like it's not even. It's like drips are falling out of the sky, sprinkling. And we brought these like what are they called? So I got beef stew. It's the Mountain House Adventure Meals. And we're gonna cook it on a little stove that we've brought along. We zip this thing back up, and it's a great day. I mean, it's 50 degrees and it's winter. That doesn't sound right, does it? I hear a ton of birds back there or something. And a gunshot. Okay, so yeah. About to leave now, and we only have to drive like 1 minute to get there, so it should be pretty quick, which is the good part about this. The hiking should be about 45 minutes, maybe, if we want to get really in there. So yeah, here we go. Is also coming along. How you doing, Ray? Good. Good? Yeah. You excited? Not as much, but yeah. Why aren't you excited? I am so pumped up right now. Well, because there's no fishing. I want to do some fishing. I just got a new lure, got my tackle box. Yeah. Wait, why is that in there? We're almost here. And wait, where do we park for this? I don't even know. Trail is right here. There's people here. There's a lot of people here, it looks like. So that's just the field right here. And we're parking. It's over on that side of the street. What's going on? Oh, he's got a bungee cord around him.
Where is it?
You're fun. What's a bungee cord gonna do?
Oh, I want nothing besides
This is
a cool place.
I would camp right here. Like, this is a cool spot.
Ticks.
Yeah, it's not. It's winter. No ticks are gonna be here. Ready? Crossing the street. Here we are on the long path that goes down this way. Look at this. Just keeps going.
I did not expect it to be like this.
Yeah.
Straight up.
This is awesome.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Pretty good thing here.
There's like a little swamp right there.
Oh, this is swamp.
Yeah, swamps on either side.
Walking on rocks.
Oh wait, there's one right here too. So we found some deer scrapes. Right here. Right here. These are from deer, so from bucks. No, that's too high. But that's cool. There's one right here. And one right there. And
over here. Right here.
and right here, yeah. Cool. Alright, let's keep walking. Deer rubs. Yeah, this is old train tracks before. Oh, wait, there's a pumpkin? It's not a pumpkin, it's how they grew back here for this deer. Looks like there's like an old fence here. Oh, these are wild grapes right here.
Not grapes.
No, but they're wild grapes. And there's some more pumpkins. Well, these are perfect, kind of. Let me just throw those away. Holy cow! Look at this deer rub right here. And there's one right there. Holy cow!
It's all of us fell because
Look
of
at
trees.
these. Oh my gosh!
How many?
That
Oh,
was.
look at. Oh,
No, that's not a deer. Oh, there's a dog over there. Holy cow. Is this another? This is another. Right here. But that was the biggest deer rub I've ever seen. Holy cow. That was ginormous. So, we've been in here for about 10 minutes. Not too long. And it's not really. Look at a deer cam. There's a deer cam. What's up? There's a deer cam right there. Yeah, that was the biggest deer rub I've ever seen. That was ginormous. How much time did that buck rub on that? Some more wild grapes. It's getting a bit windier.
I bet you the deer are going on those.
Maybe. It opened up a lot. I mean, well, maybe. Yeah. Raya, you coming?
Yeah.
We'll have to find a place like a hill, like to get out of the wind. Just kind of a little cove or something. Like a little, like this little ravine, like get down in there or something. Whoa. Look at this ravine.
Oh wow.
It looks like a gravestone down there. Must be something from Halloween.
They dump all the stuff.
What? What is this? Look at this tree. What? Look at how fat this tree is. It's like a big lump in it.
You gotta look for more of those.
Oh, no.
That's awesome. That's sand where they can pumpkin.
That looks like sawdust. Hay bales. 30 acres? More grapes. And then look at this. This is Can Jam. Can Jam. Look at that. Down there.
I thought that was
And the wind. Are you having fun? I don't think you are. Just kidding. I am.
slightly better than I thought it was.
We're gonna find a place to kind of cook out somewhere up here. There's some rubs in there. Yeah.
So that's taste.
Somebody put some racks up here. That's cool.
Real wood.
Free carpet. Who wants it? This little wall. It's like a rock. Another giant deer rub. Oh, yeah. Look at this.
Oh,
Look at this.
I thought
This is just, like, yeah, for us. Just amazing. And
yeah.
we might take one of these, like, if we find some metal on there, we might take one and do, like, polish it up and kind of stuff like that and paint it gold and stuff like that. And so we're getting pretty close to, we're getting pretty close to where we think we could eat. There's a creek down there. And that's our creek. That's where we fish for creek chubs and stuff like that. And our friend who was in the clay tennis court video, Tate, well, that's his house right over there. Found a fossil. Oop. Found a fossil. So we're here, a tunnel, and there are fish right here. There are fish here, and we tried fishing here once and caught some, but we didn't film anything. So there should be bass in this hole actually, but there's definitely chubs. We already know that because we caught some. But this is a tunnel that goes under this railroad, and then there's fish in this hole. Oh, wow. I'm looking for fish. I don't see any. But Ryan saw. I see a few. Came down. Oh, there's a dead frog. There's a dead frog in there. Some fish swimming up against the wall there. Wow, this is a.
Oh, and look at here.
Holy cow.
Here. That's what's making all the noise.
Holy cow, look at those big
What?
chubs. There's some big chubs. There are so many chubs.
Dude, I see a giant
There
one.
are so many chubs right
Dude,
there.
I see a massive chub.
There are
Look at the size of
so
that
many
thing.
chubs in here.
Hey,
We're definitely
dude,
coming
look at
back.
the size of that
And there's another dead frog right there.
Look at
there-
the size of that thing. Look at that chub.
There are massive. And there's 2 dead frogs for some reason. So we're gonna try hiking up to our friend's house and maybe even cooking there on our little stove. But for some reason there's 2 dead frogs. Oh boy. It's gonna be a big jump if I do. Oh gosh. I'm gonna throw that over there. Right, you have boots on, so you can just cross, but I have to do the hard way. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Made it in the water, but we're all right. Oh, and Ryguy just fell. You're fine. You're fine. All right, we both got wet a bit, and Ryguy got more wet than me. There's some more. Ryan fell in the water, by the way. There's some more big deer rubs. I'm sorry, I keep holding it.
Why did he do that?
And there's one way across over there. Wow. Holy cow. Another one. Looks like another one. There are just so many. Another one. What bucks are in here? Must be giant. And I'm not sure if that's deer. Holy cow, we've seen the biggest deer rubs today ever. All right, I'm gonna hand the camera over to Ryguy. He might do some filming. What is this? Little hut. String some bungee cords on there. Hey, speaking of bungee cords, I forgot mine.
Uh-oh. We found another deer rub.
Oh, you did? Oh. It's not one of those stumps. Where? Oh. See this.
All right. Where are they?
I don't see any. Nice little creek. No, the creek's over there. It's this stream.
It's so slippery, Ken.
Okay.
You're just gonna have to. Probably just gonna have to.
Is there a better way up that way?
Whoa.
Yeah, there is.
There is?
I could try
That way.
right here. I'm just gonna run. Going for it. Yes.
I can't believe you didn't slip, right? You're just gonna walk through it.
Yeah. Whoop.
It's not as slippery. Hang on, it is, but.
I don't have the proper shoes on to go in the water. There's a little trail up here that we could walk back. Then we have to hard climb to get back up. We got it going.
That's blue.
We got our little stove. Now we put the water in there. Cool. Our friend should be coming down soon. They live like right over there. It's a nice little spot. And that's really hot, so since Rygar fell in, he's just gonna sit up against that. This must have been an old tree stand. Here they are! Tate, alright, so we're still like boiling it, and it's been a while. It's been a while.
This is basically your house. Right?
Load up! There's Reed.
And over there is
That is very close to tipping, so.
I know. I should probably. Alright. It's been a while now, but we just didn't have the heat turned up enough. We just got the water into my beef stew, and now we're gonna get some more for the spicy Southwest style skillet.
Wait, Jack, when you film Join Adventure?
We're going climbing, and that's our original climbing hill over there, but we're going on a different climbing trip this way that I've never been. Oh, look at this deer rub.
Oh, wow.
Look at this deer rub. This is
Oh,
right here. No, and right here. No, that's not you. And then right here.
Oh, you underestimate me.
Wow. So many deer rubs.
Jack,
Oh wait, yeah, I can do it right here. This is where we crossed before. Yeah, but it was a bit hard.
you should try going on this thing.
Nope, not gonna do that. I like ran across or something. Like,
Kate tried doing that technique and he died even more.
you're close for me too. Let me go up and see if my mom's here. You shouldn't have taken me this way.
So it is bubbling and you're gonna be.
Ryan's not coming down here?
I don't think so. This is a big bag of beef stew. Oh,
There
wow.
he is, he's right there. Look, he's falling down the hill.
Oh,
That's how you go down it.
You gotta fall down.
Oh, I see him riding down the hill in the mud.
How else are you supposed to get down?
Pretty good.
You know what, they're good and then he's just falling.
Stir that up.
Dad, me and our mom made the same thing the other day with
You
dumplings.
know what? Why don't you just use your sweatshirt and
This is so good. It's not really a stew, it's like a soup.
I know. Yeah, take the soup.
That's what stew is.
this warms you up too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm really warm. Yeah. Min pour. Shrimp pour.
Looking at Pokemon cards.
Measure a fair piece of.
I just finished up the 2 serving beef stew. There's a trail cam. I just finished it up, and boy, was that good. And we're going back for take 2 of the climbing. The deer rubs again.
They were climbing on that log and stuff, but I don't know how safe it is. It's gonna rain.
All right, let's
You could try to clean them bed.
take 2.
What?
Oh, look at little minnow. I just saw like a little minnow. All right, so is this where we're climbing?
No. Over here in this tree.
Oh.
Yeah. We climbed across it. And then we jumped off from there.
All right. All right.
That's like what every YouTuber does.
I'm almost across.
They kind of have to
Oh,
be clickbait.
I
You
just
have
slipped.
to jump off from like over here. Ryan,
I can.
don't cross from here.
Oh gosh. Let's sort of film and do this.
Jack, I can hold on to the cam. I want an easier spot. Okay, so Jack is going. It's a bit hard because,
Wet.
yeah, it's wet.
So we just jump off right here?
Yeah, you just jump.
I would. Okay.
That's where I jumped from. Right here.
That was slippery. It's fine.
Oh,
Tate's gonna jump from there.
see, right here is so slippery.
All right.
Okay. Ready?
Where's Ryan?
Jack. Oh shoot, I was falling.
There he is.
Ready?
Yep. And there goes. Oh, he's hanging.
I was planning to do that on purpose.
Whoa!
Jack, I just climbed down from there.
Slipped on that. Luckily, there's no water below me.
All right, should we keep on
Woodpecker.
adventuring down?
Yeah. We've been down this way.
try to climb up one of those things. It looks super fun.
Yeah, let's test that. Everybody's climbing up without two hands. I've got one. So the left one is for the filmer. Yeah, this is not gonna be easy. Up, and I'm fine. Well, we're halfway up,
Ready?
and I fell. Ah! Oh!
Are you okay, Ryan?
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. It looks way taller from over.
Go ahead. Oh! Nice one. We're
I'll take the GoPro.
sort of high. I got it. I'm up. All right, now going back down.
All right, I can film this. I want to film that off. I'm gonna be getting down first. Okay.
All right. I think I'll go. Hold on. Why don't we go down the way? So there goes Rye Guy. I'm gonna try a different way that we got up. So it's gonna be like a new thing.
Wait.
What are you telling us? I didn't. Oh, oh, this one is super steep.
Oh, what the heck? My neck is
Hold on. This is even. You have to kind of take it easy on this one. Oh. I'm gonna go over to where there's a branch so I can grab on.
Yeah, this isn't that bad.
This isn't too bad. There goes Tate.
Did that hurt? Yeah, extremely.
Oh, it hurt?
Oh. Jack, I'll take the camera. It actually didn't hurt.
All right. So Jack is right there. I'm trying to.
Go down from where we are. This is not bad. Oh, look at the rocks right there.
All right, there goes Jack.
Alright, I'm gonna try going down the easy way. What?
Don't grab the GoPro, he'll throw it.
All right, Jack, this is how I'm getting down.
That's how it's gonna go.
Okay, let's go over here. Oh, look at all those leaves taken out. So there's that spot and that spot. Ah! Ah!
Isn't it so much better?
Woo!
Yeah, it's really better. Alright, another trail cam. There's another trail cam. Yeah. Alright. Continue. So I took this thing from up there on the trail. It's the old train track thing. And I'm gonna use this and I'm probably gonna polish this thing up and see how cool I can get it to look. And we can't go back on the trail, but we're gonna try to, and we're pretty much done here, so I'm just gonna say it now because I'm pretty sure we're not going on the trail. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to Jack Attacker Ride Guy, and like the video. What? Oh yeah, subscribe. What's your channel gonna be called?
Reed's Life.
Reed's
It already
Life.
is.
Yep, Reed already has his channel. Reed's Life. It's a feature channel on my channel. So apparently we did walk back. We didn't film too much. Here we are. I had my walking stick and it broke, so got it on a paracord. So yeah, thanks for watching. GoPro's at 1%, and see ya.